Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us. This is our district technology plan that we're going to be presenting to you. So we're going to go over the district goals. They are here to promote student success and prevent students' failures through technology. Their overall district goal is to improve students' learning through the use of technology. Their program goal is to help prepare students, teachers, and other staff members to become digital citizens. Becoming a digital citizen will allow them to be responsible when using technology. Not only will they learn about digital citizenship, they will learn about digital literacy and apply them currently and in the future. You may ask, why does technology matter? Well, technology matters in many reasons. Educators will understand the use of why technology is implemented in the classroom. Educators and staff will help students be fully engaged in technology-based and assisted curriculum. Students and educators will better enhance their digital literacy skills, and educators will participate in yearly trainings to enhance their technical skills in classroom practices. Here we see an overall seeing of what our district goals and needs are. We have a brief overview, as you see, is what support is needed. We need support from our parents, staff, and Board of Education, obviously, guys. Software that can help our teachers is Google Classroom, Canvas, TK20, Grammarly. What other technology can be used in the classroom? Tablets, laptops, smart boards, projectors, VR, digital textbooks, um, audio. It's just a variety of tools can be used to enhance everyday needs in the classroom. There's definitely a lot of opportunities and challenges when it comes to using technology. Some of the opportunities it creates in engaged environment. Students are constantly being engaged or always being involved. We're going to hit different learning styles. Not all students learn the same, as you guys already know this. This will meet that need for all different learners, especially those with special education and have IEPs. This will prepare students for the future in their later lives. So as they get into, high school and college, years, this will help them. They'll learn to collaborate with one another. They'll be able to discuss small group problems and work those out. Um, the challenges we're gonna have, technology always evolves. We're always gonna have to do new trainings. We're always gonna have to up to date on the newest trends, what's going on. Also, many of you not probably are not aware, but there's also digital standards, like technology standards, that will be met to help ensure that we are using technology for appropriately and making sure that we're not just using technology just space it out in there. So some of the standards that we will cover are here shown um, to make sure that our students are being incorporated in the right way. Our professional development plan. They'll be conducted yearly. They'll be developed online training yearly, improve teacher communication. It will be over a 5-day professional development plan to help teachers, fully dive into what they're gonna need. This is what the budget's gonna look like approximately for 1 day's worth, about 1,300 for our teachers. Um, and lastly, technology has changed every aspect of our daily lives. With the use of technology, we transform the way we engage our students in our lessons. Students engage by having hands-on experience by exploring digital apps and softwares. With technology, students can learn and have fun, which keeps them engaged. Thank you, everyone, for taking the time to watch our slideshow. If you have any questions, please let me know.